Okay, so today we're going to look at what is the work done by a constant pressure. Okay, so if you remember from the previous video, the work done by the pressure was equal to P dV, where that P over here is the volume. And the sign depended actually on the convention used for the first principle of thermodynamics. But I'm just going to do it general in this case. So you see that the work done by the pressure would be in function of the pressure and the volume. So if you plot this into what is known as a PV diagram, so a constant pressure would be, for example, from point 1 to point 2, where this will be V1 and this will be V2. Okay? So let's see what will be the work. So P in this case is constant. Alright, so in that case we have work done by the pressure equal integral of plus minus V1 over V2 P dV. So this case is very simple. The work done by the pressure will be equal to plus minus P V2 minus V1. Okay? So now remember, for the textbooks that use the convention for the first principle of thermodynamics, they use heat plus work equal change in energy. For this book, you will find that the work done by the pressure is equal to minus P dV. On the other books that use the convention heat minus work equal to change in energy, in that case the work done by the pressure is equal to positive P dV. Okay, so that's basically the results that we have. Okay, so if you want one more time, what is the difference between one and the other? So the first case over here, second case over here, the only difference is that if this is your system, you see that the Q is unchanged in both equations, so Q going inside the system is positive, and Q coming out of the system will be negative. But now, work gone into the system here will still be positive, and work going out negative. But in this case, work going in will be negative, and work coming out will be plus. So basically, why is it that different? Because this one mathematically is the correct one, but this one is more convenient to understand that the amount of heat equal to the amount of work done by the system. Instead of saying the amount of heat coming in is equal to the work going out, but actually that value becomes negative. All right, thank you so much for your attention.